You need to hear this if you're a homeowner with a taste for luxury. Introducing the epitome of sophistication. Crafted with unparalleled precision and artistry, our premium luxury copper mailbox is more than just a functional piece. It's a legacy in copper. Each mailbox is meticulously handcrafted, using the finest copper to ensure durability and a unique patina that only grows more beautiful with time. Imagine the glimmer of copper catching the morning light, the intricate details that reflect superior craftsmanship, and the bespoke design that can be personalized just for you. This is where luxury meets functionality. Our copper mailbox doesn't just hold your mail, it holds a story of elegance, tradition, and refined taste. Secure, weatherproof, and spacious, it's designed to be as practical as it is beautiful. Elevate your home's curb appeal and make a lasting impression with a mailbox that's as unique as you are. Discover the art of luxury, a legacy in copper, crafted for generations, because your home deserves nothing less.